हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। तो फर्स्ट वाली वीडियो में हमने चेक किया था कि कैसे ऑनशेप का फ्री अकाउंट क्रिएट किया जा सकता है। देन आप जब लॉग इन करते हो विथ योर क्रेडेंशियल्स, तो ऐसा कुछ आपको फर्स्ट विंडो दिखाई देता है, जिसमें ऑनशेप का लोगो है। देन क्रिएट के अंदर यू कैन क्रिएट अ डॉक्यूमेंट, यू कैन क्रिएट अ फोल्डर, you can import the file, import files from your drives and label it. So then लेफ्ट साइड का जो कॉलम है इसमें ओन बाय मी, बेसिकली मैंने जो बनाए हुए डॉक्यूमेंट है, या जो आई एम ओनिंग देम, सो वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स का फिल्टर है। देन रिसेंटली ओपन डॉक्यूमेंट का फिल्टर, then created by me ka filter, then shared with me, basically which are the documents which are shared with me but not owned by me or created by me, which will be shown under this filter. Then again label, एंड जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि ये हमारा फ्री अकाउंट है, फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन, इस वजह से वट एवर वी आर गोइंग टू make it a public. So there are a lot of users all around the globe, which creates the documents in a Onshape free subscription basically. तो वो आपको public, ये लिंक पे अगर क्लिक करोगे, so you will able to see all the documents made by uh, a lot of guys on the Onshape using the free subscription. So let's go back in here. So first of all, हमेशा whenever you are starting, if you are starting a new project, always go with creating a new folder, which create the less mess on your desktop. So just go to folder and rename the folder as tutorial create. तो ट्यूटोरियल नाम का एक फोल्डर बन जाएगा। नाउ आई एम करेंटली इन द ट्यूटोरियल फोल्डर। सो यहाँ पे जो भी फ्लो रहेगा इट इज सेम एज अवर file browser path, which we generally see in the windows. So just go to create a document. So document, basically in one document you can create a part, drawing, assembly, everything. So one document is compared of like one of the mini project or mini assembly, something like that. So let us consider as a please go one, create a public document. तो जैसे आप create a public document के ऊपर hit करोगे, then it will start creating the document for you, and then it will open the document window for you. Uh, so first of all, if you go in under your profile, then settings, then यहाँ पे आपको आपका प्रोफाइल भी दिखाई देगा, or you can add your photo, you can put your name, then your username, nickname. So this nickname will be shown in here. Then company name, if applicable, as I'm free use कर रहा हूँ, so I'm putting as a freelancer. Then under preferences, if you go, you can always change any type language. So for my comfort, I'm keeping it as English. Then in the theming, you can keep it as a light mode या dark mode भी आप रख सकते हो. If you click on the dark mode, same thing, it will go in the dark mode. But just for initial things, I will make it as a light mode. Then decimal format. So decimal format is basically, do you want to use the point or do you want to use comma to indicate the decimals? So अगर आप comfortable हो comma के साथ, then you can tick it and save the decimal format. Or if you are not comfortable with comma and you are comfortable with the point, then keep it as it is. Don't tick this box. Then unit, जो भी default units है वो यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. So whenever you are creating the workbench, workspace basically, तो वहाँ पे same units use होंगे. So millimeter, I am comfortable in millimeter, as well as millimeter के लिए how many number of digit you want after the decimal point, वो भी आप select कर सकते हो. For example, यहाँ पे 4 default selected है, 5 पे आप कर सकते हो, or you can keep it as a just one decimal as well. Then linear acceleration, all this you can change as per your convenience. And click on the save changes. So default units are updated. Then mouse control, अगर आप किसी और सॉफ्टवेयर से ऑनशिप के ऊपर ट्रांसफर हो रहे हो, so you can always choose that software. If you click on SolidWorks, the SolidWorks का जो भी default mouse setting है for 2D and 3D part slash assembly, वो यहाँ पे अपने आप ऑनशिप कैचअप कर लेगा. So you don't have to learn the new way to handle the mouse for this particular software. So same as SolidWorks, NX के लिए भी है, Creo के लिए भी है, and AutoCAD के लिए भी है. But as of now, I'm keeping it as a Onshape default. Then save the mouse control. Then these are just environment profile settings, then assembly setting, then keyboard shortcuts, shortcut toolbar bar, then reset to default all the toolbars and everything. Then drawing, whether it is a dark view or whatever it is, or light view, you can select and save the drawing. And then if you want to add the material, जैसे कि एक कुछ custom material आपने composite बनाया हुआ है, उसका properties को अलग है, then you can always go and add material library पे click करके you can add that material and then add export rule. So all these things which are ranging from here till here. So we are going to check once we go into the drawing and creating the parts. So let's go back. Always, if you want to go back, always click on the Onshape logo. Then you will be redirected to your last open folder. So just click here. So this is how it looks like for the part studio. यहाँ पे अगर आप क्लिक करोगे तो आप पार्ट स्टूडियो क्रिएट कर सकते हो, असेंबली क्रिएट कर सकते हो, ड्राइंग क्रिएट कर सकते हो, या सेम इसी रिबन में आप फोल्डर बना सकते हो. यू कैन इंपोर्ट द फाइल्स आल्सो. सो these are the few things, important few things. Now again, पहले just whenever you are starting the design, always go and check the workspace units. Okay, these are millimeter. This I need to convert in millimeter. Angle is degree is fine. Then just hit a tick and save it. So then जो लेफ्ट साइड का कॉलम है वहाँ पे origin दिखाया गया है. Here you can see it is getting highlighted. Origin, top plane, sorry, top plane, front plane, right plane. So this is the way it is showing the all the three planes. As well as if you go here, you can see all the surfaces or all the sides of the cubes. If you click on the top, it will show your top plane. If you click on the front, it will show your front plane. If you click on the right, it will show the right plane. So similarly, and again, if you want to go in particular view, say isometric, then it will show isometric view, diametric view, trimetric view, as well as section view is also here. This we will check when we will make the 3D part. So just one thing to be noted, if you click in here, this is not the isometric view. Isometric view, for isometric view, you need to go here and click here. This is the isometric view. This is not the isometric view. So these are all the options to create the 3D part. So पहले हमें sketch बनाना पड़ेगा. So please click on the sketch. Select the whatever plane you want, say top plane, right plane, front plane. So currently I'm thinking to use the top plane. So top plane. Then click on, either you can click in here or just press N. Press N on your keyboard. So वो normal to your screen हो जाएगा. The drawing plane will become normal to your screen. So मुझे एक solid cylinder बनाना है. So I will do circle. यहाँ पे origin पे रखने के अलावा I will make it somewhere here. I want it to be 120 mm. So 120 mm. So हमने जो initially workspace unit बनाया set किए थे, so it will become useful in this case. So now if you see this particular geometry is free to move in this plane, sketch plane 1. तो हमें ये restrict करना है. So हमें इसको x and y coordinate देना पड़ेगा. So to give the x and y coordinate, you can always use the origin point. So for example, go here, dimension, from here to here, I need 30. So 30 mm हो गया. And from here to here, I need 30 again. 30 mm. So now you can see the color got changed to the black. Now your geometry is fully constrained. So but now I don't want it at the 30 and 30. So I will just delete this dimension. Again it went blue. So it can move like this anywhere because we have not put any y dimension to constrain the circle. So I will delete this also now. I want to match this guy with this, basically center of the circle with the origin. So I can directly drag it and place it here, or there is option called as coincidence. So click here. So click option on coincidence, click here and click here. It will become coincident. And by default origin के ऊपर overlap होने की वजह से it will get fully constant. So now to generate the 3D shape out of this 2D drawing, just hit a tick mark on the sketch one. Always you can rename this as a say circle one. For easy way, we can put a C01. Click here. So now I want to pocket it or pad it. So go here, extrude, select the geometry here, here, select the geometry. It will give you a lot of options. Do you want to make a solid? Do you want to make a surface? Do you want to make it a thing? You want to create the new? You want to add to the existing material, or you want to remove it? Basically, pad and pocket दोनों command Onshape में single windows में आते हैं. So new or add is basically the pocket, and remove is the sorry new and add is basically the pad, and remove is the pocket command. Then intersection is also here. So do you want to make it blind, like some at कुछ thickness आपको देना है limited, तो you can click on blind. और अगर आपके पास कुछ existing already geometry है तो up to next, up to face, this we will see later on. So I will just keep it as a blind. I will make the thickness as a 50. So 50. Now there are multiple ways whether you want to keep full part on top of the top plane or just symmetry. Symmetry matlab 25 mm above, 25 mm below the your drawing plane. Then again, if you click on the direction, the first direction में कितना चाहिए, second direction में कितना चाहिए, that also you can keep it. But currently I am selecting as symmetry for understanding purpose. Then just click on tick. So here you can see you have created the first part in the ownership. And again, go here, you can rename it and cylinder, cylinder solid. So now here you can see I have a lot of planes here. I don't want them. So you can go here and unhide each of them. Or you can, sorry, basically you can hide each of them. And अगर आपको unhide ही रखने हैं, so just click on here. And shortcut key is just click on P. तो सारे जितने भी plane होंगे, they will get hidden. So this is how you can create a solid part in the Onshape. Thank you.